Hey guys, today we're going to conclude our triangle centers chapter with a review. So I know you have altitudes and orthocenter at the top of your page. You don't need that. If you'll just go straight down to centers review, we're going to fill in some blanks here. The three blank blank of the sides of a triangle intersect at the circumcenter. That would be perpendicular bisectors. For an incenter, angle bisectors. And they should be S's. And then for a centroid, they're medians. And you don't need number 4 because that talks about the orthocenter. A circumcenter is equidistant from the vertices, and an incenter is equidistant from the sides. So just a little bit of vocabulary review there. And now we're going to name the center based on a diagram. So as you take a look at the next page, you don't need to worry about number 2 or number 8. Here we have angle bisectors in number 1, so we have an incenter. And for number 3, we have our median, so we have a centroid. Perpendicular bisectors, so circumcenter. And then they are equidistant from the vertices, so again we have a circumcenter. Again we have a median, so centroid. And we have our perpendiculars here for an incenter. Number 9, we have our angle bisectors, which is an incenter. And then we have our perpendicular bisectors for our circumcenter. We have a graphic organizer here. We're just going to be focused on the first 3. We don't need to worry about the one that's at the end. So we're talking about circumcenters first, and circumcenters are created by perpendicular bisectors. And the circumcenter is equidistant from each vertex of the triangle. So we know that AM equals BM equals CM. And our incenter is created by angle bisectors. The incenter is equidistant from each side of the triangle. So XM is equal to YM is equal to ZM. And our centroid is created by medians. So a median is created by a vertex connected to the midpoint of the opposite side. And we know that AM is 2/3 of AY, and MY is 1/3 of AY, and AM is 2 times MY, and MY is 1/2 of AM. So lots of little relationships there that go along with the median and the centroid. Now we're going to look at some problems here. Looking at problem number 1, G is the circumcenter of ABC. Find each missing measure. Whole side is 30, so each side is going to be 15. We are working with a circumcenter here, so 18 and 18. And AD is going to be 15. And then we need to find FC. So x squared plus 9 squared equals 22 squared. So x is 20. So EB is 18. And to find AG and BG are the same. And then we need to find EG, which is the little piece there. So x squared plus 18 squared equals equals 22 squared, which is 12.6. Then we're going to skip down here to number 3 and do an in-center problem. So we have some angles here, looking for CML. CML, we've got angle bisector, so that's going to be 20 degrees. NP, the whole thing, 30 and 30 is 60. NPC. So if this whole angle is 60 and this one is 40, then this one is going to be 80. So NPC is going to be 40. JC is a little piece here, congruent to CK, which is 4. And then MC. So 4 squared plus 11 squared is x squared. And that would give you 11.7. And that one is an in-center. So I'm going to make sure that I get one of each of these done. And then I'm going to give you guys a chance to do some as well. We're going to look at a centroid here for number 5. AG is 26. So we know GF is 13. And then the whole thing is going to be 39. BC is 44. So each piece is 22. And let's see, then DG is 12. So we know BG is 24. And so the whole thing added together would be 36. So we've now done a review on one of each type of the triangle centers that we have studied. I'm going to give you guys a chance to pause your videos and complete these problems and then come right back and check your answers. All right, guys, welcome back. Now we're going to check and see what our answers are here with the work if you need it. Problem number 2, A is 50, B 41, C 40, D 41, and E 32.5. Number 4, A is 24, B is 10, C 27.2, D is 10, E is 27.2. I'm going to apologize for the diagram on number 6 because I labeled some things in the wrong place, but the answers here should be right. 6A is 48, B 24, C 31, D 62, and E 52. And then you had circumcenter and in-center problems with algebraic expressions here, starting with number 7. BC is 42, 8, 34, 9, 17, and 10, 31 degrees. So as always, let me know if you have any questions. Pause your video as much as you need to get the work that you may have done incorrectly. Let me know if you have any questions, and you guys have a great day.